In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize canvas in Inkscape. Resizing your canvas, or page, is essential when you're preparing artwork for print, exporting graphics for the web, or matching a specific template. In Inkscape, this lives in the Document Properties panel, and once you know where to find it, changing sizes becomes quick and precise. Start by launching Inkscape on your desktop. If you already have a file you want to adjust, open it now. If not, create a new document so you can follow along. Either way, the process is the same. Next, go to the File menu at the top left. This is where many document-level controls live. From here, open the Document Properties panel. The fastest way is with the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+D. This opens a settings window dedicated to your document's page setup, display, and related options. Inside Document Properties, look for the Display tab. That's the area where you'll adjust how the page is defined and viewed. You'll see options related to page size, units, and sometimes presets that make switching dimensions effortless. If you want to use a preset, choose one from the list. Common options include A4 and US letter, which are great for standard print layouts. You might also see social or screen-oriented sizes tailored for posts and thumbnails. Picking a preset instantly updates the width, height, and units to match that format, saving you from manual entry. If your design needs a particular orientation, confirm whether the preset sets it the way you expect. You can switch between portrait and landscape if the panel offers that toggle. If you prefer a precise custom size, set your units first. This is important because Inkscape interprets width and height based on the chosen unit. For screen graphics, pixels are usually best. For print, millimeters or inches lead to more predictable results. After choosing the unit, type your exact width and height values. The page boundary updates immediately, so you can see exactly how your design fits. If your artwork extends beyond the page after resizing, don't worry. You can reposition or scale your objects later. The goal here is to define the correct page size. That's it. Launch Inkscape, open your file or start fresh. Go to File, open Document Properties with Ctrl+Shift+D, head to the Display tab, then either pick a preset or set your own width and height after choosing the right units. With these steps, you'll have a perfectly sized canvas ready for export or print.